How to choose the right Odoo module. If you are thinking of implementing Odoo ERP, then you must know what are all modules that would be critical for your enterprise. As we know, Odoo ERP software provides the best enterprise solutions to its users. This open-source software serves multiple verticals of a business such as manufacturing, sales, purchase, finance and accounts, warehouse, supply chain, and more. With an intuitive architecture, Odoo offers advanced and robust ERP modules and applications. In this video, we will be discussing the major Odoo modules, their features, and their benefits. It will help you get a brief understanding of Odoo apps and modules, which will further help you choose the right module for your business. Odoo CRM module. With Odoo's CRM module, users get the leverage to create, capture and manage leads and potential customers. It has numerous advanced features that help businesses to close more sales deals than ever. Let's review the key features of the Odoo CRM module. A faster and better user interface makes it an easy-to-use solution. Easily create and import leads in a few clicks and start working on them. Get a complete overview of the opportunity pipeline and track their progress. Also, you can create professional quotations for potential customers directly from the CRM module. Schedule future activities like emails, calls, and meetings. Odoo CRM module's intuitive reporting dashboard will give you a complete insight into critical leads or opportunities KPIs. Get 360-degree visibility into each opportunity, right from the lead origin, their communication history, and past activities to future planned activities. You can keep a tab on all the aspects of your CRM. Odoo Sales Module. The Odoo Sales Module is one of the best and most useful modules which helps its users to manage all the sales activities efficiently. You can manage your sales order in a faster and better way. This module allows its users to create new quotations and sales orders, and further enables them to keep a tab on the existing ones and take the right actions accordingly. Let's get a quick insight into the Odoo Sales Module. You will get critical information regarding every sales order on one screen, such as creation date, customer name, assigned salesperson, delivery date, tags, status, and so on. You can easily create quotations and convert them into sales orders with just a single click. Enable online signature and payment option. It will send a link to the customer where they can sign and make payment online. This module allows automatic invoice generation when the online payment is confirmed. You can create multiple price lists and set multiple prices per product. It will automatically populate the prices when you select the price list in the quotation or sales order record. Get a complete overview of your sales operation, such as how much is the total sales by date, month, quarter, and more. Also, you can analyze sales and monitor a KPI dashboard for critical data such as total amount invoiced, sales per salesperson, sales team, country, products, and more. You can easily create and import products and their variants. Add product name and their details like costs image, prices, costs, taxes, units of measure, and more. Also, you can create and add product variants. Integrated with projects, POS, inventory, and accounting modules. Odoo Purchase Module. Easily manage the entire purchase management process. You can create and send requests for quotations to your vendors in a few simple clicks. Let's see the key features of the Odoo Purchase Module. The Odoo Purchase Module helps in creating requests for quotations and converting them into purchase orders in a single click. You can create multiple purchase agreements for purchasing goods. Also, you can create multiple purchase agreement types such as the call for tender, blanket orders, etc. Odoo's Purchase Module has the functionality to create and manage vendors. Create multiple vendors, and add the details like their names, addresses, emails, contact numbers, and so on. This robust Odoo module helps in enabling the drop shipping option. You can deliver the products directly to your custom location from the vendor location. You do not need to store the product in the warehouse. If you want to enable the purchase order approval process, you can do that. This feature will help purchase representatives submit approval requests to their managers for orders above a minimum amount. Odoo Accounting Module. With the help of the Odoo Accounting Module, you will be able to manage all the finance and accounts aspects such as asset management, budget management, analytic accounting, invoices, tax management, and more. You will have the complete accounting information at your fingertips, which will further help your enterprise reduce accounting errors. Major Odoo accounting features are: you can create and manage customer invoices and supplier bills using the Odoo Accounting Module. With Odoo's reconciliation tool, you can automate the reconciliation, and it saves a lot of your time. For example, you can reconcile your invoices with banks automatically. You will get your bank statements automatically synchronized with your bank. The automation reconciliation saves time and effort. Effortlessly generate advanced reports of the multiple accounting operations of your business. It will give you a comprehensive overview of expenses and earnings. Odoo Inventory Module. Easily manage your warehouse operations and keep a tab on all your incoming and outgoing inventory. Smoothly manage the entire product transfer operations, including product reception, delivery, and internal transfer. The Odoo Inventory Module has a plethora of advanced features such as: one can create multiple warehouses at different locations and manage their operations from a single place. Odoo provides you with a simple transfer interface that helps you move products from one location to another easily. You can specify the reordering rule, which means you can define the minimum and maximum count of products. It will help in automating the procurement process. Create lots and serial numbers for your products. It will make the stock tracking more effective and precise. With the integration of barcode scanners, you can scan products in your warehouse. It will help track your stock items effectively. You can get the dynamic warehouse operations report from a single dashboard. With the help of the right Odoo modules, you can easily manage all your business functions, from handling customer relations, sales orders, procurement operations, and handling accounting processes to managing your warehouse functions. To get a comprehensive insight into Odoo modules, contact O2B Technologies.
For more info on Odoo, visit our website, www.o2btechnologies.com, or contact us at info@o2btechnologies.com. O2B, a silver partner to Odoo. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.